Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a kimbap mold. First, gather all your delicious kimbap fillings, like seasoned rice, vegetables, and protein, making sure they are sliced appropriately for the mold size. Next, lightly brush the inside of your kimbap mold with a small amount of sesame oil. This helps prevent sticking. Then, carefully lay a sheet of nori, with the shiny side facing down, into the mold, allowing the edges to extend over the sides. Now it's time to fill your kimbap mold. Start by adding a thin, even layer of seasoned rice over the nori, pressing it down gently to create a base. Then, carefully arrange your prepared fillings, such as carrots, spinach, and egg, in a neat line down the center of the rice. Finally, add another thin layer of seasoned rice on top of the fillings, ensuring they are completely covered. Once your mold is filled, gently fold the overhanging edges of the nori sheet over the top layer of rice, sealing everything inside. Next, position the mold's press firmly on top of the filled nori and apply steady, even pressure for about 10 to 15 seconds. This compacts the kimbap into a perfect roll. Finally, carefully lift the press and remove your beautifully formed kimbap roll from the mold. To finish, use a very sharp knife, lightly moistened with water or sesame oil, to slice your kimbap roll into uniform, bite-sized pieces, typically about 1 inch thick. This helps prevent the rice from sticking and ensures clean cuts. Arrange your delicious kimbap on a platter and serve it immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, like soy sauce or a side of spicy kimchi. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.